Welcome to Small Tech Channel. Welcome to our discussion on LCD repair. In today's world, electronics have become an integral part of our lives, from smartphones and laptops to televisions and gaming consoles. Repairing these devices can be a practical and cost-effective solution, especially when they malfunction or become outdated. There are several reasons why electronic devices need repair. One is wear and tear, which can cause components to lose their functionality over time. Another reason is damage caused by water, electricity, or other factors. In these cases, a professional repair service can restore the device to its original condition and performance. Now, let's talk about some common electronic repair tasks. For smartphones and laptops, diagnosing the issue and determining the cause of the problem is crucial. This may involve disassembling the device, checking components, and using specialized tools to test the functionality of various parts. If the device needs a hardware replacement, a skilled technician can replace the damaged part with a new, high-quality component. They will also ensure that all connections are secure and that the device is functioning correctly. In the case of televisions and phones, some common issues include pixelation, distorted audio, or flickering lights. These problems can be caused by various factors, such as outdated software, loose cables, or damaged internal components. For these devices, professional repair services can often resolve these issues with minimal disruption to your daily routine. They have the necessary tools and expertise to diagnose and fix these issues efficiently. In conclusion, electronic repair is an essential service that can save you money and provide you with reliable, functioning devices. By understanding the basics of electronic repair and knowing when to seek professional help, this is Small Tech. You can keep your devices working correctly and enjoy their full potential. Thank you for watching.